Welcome to FixProfit, your ultimate destination for trading knowledge, motivation, and tools to level up your game. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps in trading or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your edge, this is the channel where we cut through the noise and deliver insights that actually work. And not just that, we'll hook you up with a powerful tool that will revolutionize the way you analyze the market. Stick with me, and you'll see why traders who skip technical analysis are setting themselves up for failure, and how you can avoid that trap. Let me ask you something. Have you ever entered a trade based on just one indicator or a hunch, only to see the market do the exact opposite of what you expected? It happens to almost every trader at some point, and the reason is simple. Trading based on guesswork or incomplete analysis is a fast track to losing money. In today's video, we're diving into why technical analysis is non-negotiable for any trader who wants to succeed. Now, I know what you're thinking, but analyzing all of this takes time, and what if I make a mistake? That's exactly why we created our trading assistant bot. This isn't just another tool, it's like having a professional analyst by your side, 24/7. Here's what makes it so powerful. It collects real-time data from multiple indicators like RSI, MACD, and stochastic, so you don't have to. It processes large amounts of information instantly and gives you a clear direction: buy or sell. It's designed to help you see the trends and make faster, smarter decisions without overthinking or second-guessing. The best part? It's completely free. You can grab it right now using the link in the description below. But wait, it gets even better. When you grab the bot today, you'll also get a promo code for plus 100% on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Deposit $50, and you'll get an extra $50 bonus, giving you $100 to trade with. Deposit $300, and your balance doubles to $600. The promo code works only on your first deposit, so don't miss your chance to maximize your starting capital. So, what's in it for you? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why technical analysis is your most valuable weapon, but you'll also have a clear strategy for combining indicators, managing your emotions, and building a disciplined approach to trading. Plus, with the bot as your trading assistant, you'll save time, reduce stress, and improve your accuracy, so you can focus on what really matters: growing your account. Before we jump into the details, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This channel is packed with actionable strategies, tools, and tips to help you take control of your trading journey. Are you ready to stop guessing, start analyzing, and finally see the results you've been working for? Let's get started, because your success starts right here, right now. Here's the harsh reality. The market doesn't care about your feelings, your instincts, or your gut. It operates on data, patterns, and probabilities. Traders who ignore this reality, who skip technical analysis or refuse to put in the effort to learn it, are gambling, not trading. If you want to win in the markets, you have to think like a strategist. You need to look at the bigger picture: candlesticks, support and resistance levels, momentum indicators, and trend lines. No single factor is enough, it's the combination of everything that gives you the edge. But here's the thing: technical analysis isn't just about reading charts. It's about training your brain to think critically, to see the patterns and connections that others miss, and to act with precision, not emotion. Calmness is key. You can't let fear or greed dictate your moves. Trading requires a cool head and a clear mind, especially when the stakes are high. Money management is your backbone. It doesn't matter how many winning trades you hit if you're risking too much on one bad move. Managing your risk is as important as finding the right entry points. The market can be abrupt. After a period of consolidation, the price can snap down sharply, settle down again, and there's nothing you can do about it. Your task is to catch trends and make the right conclusions without giving in to emotions. You know the situation when your nerves are on edge and you can't change the situation, right? It is dangerous. These nerves deprive you of money. So, now I will conduct a trade on the currency pair Euro, American dollar, expiry time 5 minutes. I invest 1% of the deposit amount, $845. Observe money management, guys. On the 15-minute time frame, the signal from the bot is active sold. This is useful to know in order to understand how stable the trend will be. And now the signal on my 5-minute time frame is the same. It's an active sell. The indicators are telling me so. I agree with them in this situation. I entered this sell trade on EUR USD because the bot gave a strong active sell signal with 9 indicators all pointing to a bearish trend. RSI, MACD, ADX, and CCI confirmed selling pressure, while Williams and stochastic RSI showed oversold conditions, signaling further downside momentum. On the chart, the price was clearly in a strong downtrend, confirmed by the zigzag indicator and consistent lower highs. Combining the bot's data with this trend, it was the perfect setup for a profitable trade. Let's see this one play out. By the way, friends, I want to tell you frankly, a bot is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. Now I'm going to take another look at the graph. Before I entered the market, the price was moving along a rather wide corridor. After entering the trade, we saw new declining highs. In the past 10 minutes, the price reached local highs several times and then returned to its previous level. However, later there was a stronger decline, which marked the continuation and strengthening of the bears' activity in the market. The whole situation combined leads me to believe that you can really count on sellers now. At least within the 5-minute time frame. Guys, I remind you that the bot is a cool advisor, which quickly collects indicator data in real time and gives it to you in a convenient format, immediately determining which side you need to open a deal, taking into account the indicator data. The bot is free, you can get it from the link in the description right now. Now with TradingView, I want to look at the tick volume histogram and candlestick chart. As we can see, sellers have been saturating the market very actively for a long time. The bulls are so far unable to provide meaningful resistance that will lead to a trend reversal. The trend is characteristically moving downward. The whole market is bearish now, and this should be taken advantage of. In this situation, the robot showed us on both the 5-minute and 15-minute timeframe indicator signals that characterize the market as bearish. Periods of sideways movement are replaced by a clear decline in price for a long time. Traders, let's get straight to it. If you're ignoring technical analysis, you're setting yourself up to lose. That might sound harsh, but let's be real, this isn't a game of chance. Trading is a skill, a science, and a mindset. And the market? It doesn't care about your gut feelings or your hopes. It rewards preparation, discipline, and those who put in the work. Think about this. Every time you skip analyzing the charts, every time you rely on luck, every time you take someone else's word instead of doing your own homework, you're handing your money to the traders who did their analysis. The ones who studied the trends, spotted the opportunities, and made decisions based on logic, not emotion. Here's a hard truth most people don't understand. The market isn't chaos. It's not random. It's built on patterns, driven by human psychology, and shaped by supply and demand. The price moves the way it does for a reason. Your job as a trader is to figure out that reason and act accordingly. This is where technical analysis comes in. It's your roadmap to understanding the market. Support and resistance levels? They're not just lines. They're battlefields where buyers and sellers fight it out. Indicators like RSI or MACD? They're tools that help you see when momentum is shifting. Candlestick patterns? They're clues, showing you the emotions of the market in real time. Traders who ignore these tools are like pilots flying without instruments. Sure, they might stay in the air for a while, but eventually, they'll crash. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is relying on a single indicator. Maybe it's RSI, maybe it's stochastic. They see one overbought or oversold signal and jump in without looking at the bigger picture. Here's the problem. No single indicator is perfect. Markets are complex, and decisions based on one factor are often wrong. So, the first transaction completed successfully. I understood the situation correctly, and the bot helped me a lot in this. In 2 clicks, the neural network gave me the most important piece of information on the whole market, on many important indicators. In the second operation, I will again go in for 1% of the deposit. I can afford to go in for amounts from 1 to 5% because I have a margin of safety, a margin of money. But I recommend that you go in for 1 to 2% of your deposit. If you have $50 in your account, go in for 1%. If you have a couple of losses, leave the market until the next day. Do not work on emotions. So, USD, JPY, 15 minutes, active buy signal, 5 minutes, similar signal. I see an opportunity to make money and agree with the bot in this case. I pressed the green button. I entered this buy trade on USD, JPY because the AI bot gave a powerful active buy signal with 11 indicators all aligned for upward momentum, RSI, stochastic, MACD, and ADX all pointed to a strong bullish trend. The ATR showed less volatility, which made the movement more predictable. On the chart, the zigzag indicator confirmed a clear uptrend, and price action was steadily climbing. It has now pulled back down, but I expect a new bounce. With all these factors combined, it was the perfect moment to enter, and I'm confident this trade will close in profit. Guys, I want to remind you that after you pick up the FixProfit robot from the link in the description, you will have access to a VIP chat with predictions from experienced experts. What else do I see on the graph? A powerful impulse a few minutes ago, after which the price rolled back down, but we entered the market and there was a local consolidation. What's next? I think the bulls will take advantage and continue to realize their potential. Within the time frame I have chosen, this is really promising. This is a real good time to capitalize on predictable market movement. I act based on a logic that takes into account a combination of factors. I act boldly when I know I've spotted the key points. You guys can do the same. You too can gain experience and recognize patterns. The robot is good at helping me notice patterns. By the way, its data update periodicity is 1 minute. You can double check the market situation with it. It's easy, in 2 clicks. Bot is a unique advisor that collects indicator data in real time and presents it to you in a convenient format. The bot is absolutely free, get it? Link below the video. So, I can see from the volume histogram that the bears have been trying to offer resistance in the last few minutes, but the bulls are active enough to keep their positions. An hour ago there was a maximum growth of the price. The buyers gained a lot of momentum and the sellers' volumes were rarely met on their way. As I said earlier, I think that after a period of sideways movement we will see growth again. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. If RSI shows oversold, that's interesting. If stochastic confirms it, that's better. If the price is bouncing off a support level at the same time, that's the kind of setup you can trust. The key to winning is stacking the odds in your favor. Let's talk about emotions for a second. Fear, greed, hope. These are your biggest enemies in trading. When you skip technical analysis, you're not just trading blind, you're trading emotionally. You'll hold on to losing trades, hoping they'll turn around. You'll chase the market, jumping in too late because of FOMO, fear of missing out. Or you'll hesitate to take great setups because you're scared of being wrong. Technical analysis is your shield against these emotions. It gives you a solid reason for every trade you take. When you know the why behind your decisions, you're less likely to panic when things don't go perfectly. Here's the thing. Technical analysis isn't something you master overnight. It's a skill that takes practice. The more you study charts, the better you'll get at spotting patterns. The more you backtest strategies, the more confident you'll feel about your setups. And with confidence comes consistency. When you trust your process, you stop making impulsive decisions. You follow your plan, you manage your risk, and you let the probabilities play out over time. That's how you win in trading, not with lucky guesses, but with a repeatable, reliable system. Now, I get it, analyzing the market can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. That's why we created a trading assistant bot. This bot isn't here to replace your analysis, it's here to speed up the process and make it easier. It collects real-time data from multiple indicators, processes it instantly, and gives you clear signals, buy or sell. It's like having a professional analyst by your side, helping you make smarter decisions in half the time. So, I made a profit. The second trade closed successfully. Thank you, FixProfit. For 2 transactions I earned $1,399. Get the bot for free at the link in the description. You'll get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit by doing this, friends. Did you like this video? Give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Telegram channel via the link in the description and click the bell. See you soon.